Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your username on TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up TikTok, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, then you should see edit profile. So you just want to tap on that, and then you should see username. So you want to click on that, and this will just let you know usernames can contain only letters, numbers, underscores, and periods. Changing your username will also change your profile link. You can change your username once every 30 days. So obviously if you go to change your username, you need to make sure that's not already taken. And once you're happy with that, you get the green tick. All you need to do is select save, and then it'll just remind you you can change your username once every 30 days. And then just select set username, and that's how you can change your username on TikTok. Thanks for watching.